Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to remove a send Facebook message on your messenger from both sides. If you are send any message to your friend mistakenly, then you can remove message from everyone. So how to do this? Let's start. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open your Android mobile phone, and after that first of all open your Google Play Store. After that search a messenger and open it. Now you can see that is option is appear open. If you are you have installed an old version of messenger, then you can update your messenger, and after that open it. Okay guys, I after opening that I send one message like hello. Then if you send any message to your friend mistakenly, wrong message sent to your friend, then you can delete for everyone. So how to do it? First of all hold on it message. Now you can see that three options appear. First of all is a copy, forward and remove. So simply click on a remove option, and now you can see that two options appear on your front, like first of all remove of you for you and remove for everyone. Now click on a remove for everyone. Now it's show a message, warning message, that this message is permanently deleted if you click on a remove button. So I click on remove. Now you can see that this message is removed, and this message removed for everyone. So this is the way to delete any message from everyone. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.